Welcome back to Book Bite Cinema. Today, we're exploring a mind-bending idea from the 19th century that still puzzles scientists and philosophers today. Maxwell's demon. It's not a real demon, of course. It's a thought experiment that asks, can information be used to break the laws of physics? James Clerk Maxwell was one of the giants of classical physics. He unified electricity and magnetism into one theory and laid the groundwork for Einstein's later breakthroughs. In 1867, he proposed a playful yet serious challenge to the second law of thermodynamics, a thought experiment that would become legendary. At the heart of thermodynamics is entropy, the measure of disorder in a system. The second law states that in any isolated system, entropy always increases. In simpler terms, heat doesn't spontaneously flow from cold to hot, and systems naturally move toward chaos, not order. Maxwell imagined a demon who could watch gas molecules and selectively open a door between two chambers. By letting only fast-moving molecules into one side and slow ones into the other, the demon could create a temperature difference without using energy. That seems to violate the second law. Entropy is decreasing. The demon forces us to think about whether knowledge and control can be as powerful as physical forces. If just watching particles and sorting them can reduce entropy, then maybe the second law isn't as absolute as we thought. But is it really that simple? In the 20th century, physicists like Rolf Landauer showed that processing and deleting information uses energy. If the demon remembers which particles to let through, it must erase and update memory, which generates heat. In other words, information is physical, and the second law survives. Maxwell's demon has inspired not just scientists, but writers and philosophers. It's a metaphor for the limits of control, the role of observers, and even free will. It asks, can intelligence cheat nature, or does every action, even thinking, carry a cost? The ideas behind Maxwell's demon are now influencing real technology, like quantum computers, molecular engines, and even AI. It laid the foundation for understanding how information and physics intertwine, and that has powerful consequences in the digital age. Let's reflect. What is the price of knowledge? Can we ever truly cheat nature, or are the rules just deeper than we thought? As tech grows smarter, are we creating our own demons? Systems that watch, sort, and control at a cost we don't yet fully understand? Thanks for watching. If you loved this dive into Maxwell's demon, give it a like and hit subscribe. Share your thoughts. Was the demon ever real or just a clever ghost in the machine? Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.